Hi all, I'm Taylor, Product Manager of WeTech. Today I'll bring you two products of WeePro. After the pandemic happened, millions of medical face shields on the market, which caused dozens of problems. First of all, those medical face shields are not anti-fog at all. Secondly, they are not real optical. The blurry view will cause issues for users. Thirdly, during the transportation, they are very easy to be damaged. The most important thing is those medical face shields are so ugly. WeePro solve all those problems, and we have well packed during transportation. WeePro medical face shield could be well protected. Today, I will show you how to install both medical face shields from WeePro. First of all is adjustable medical face shield. Firstly, you have to peel off the QC Past label, which is very strong. In the package, and you'll find a stand structure inside. Open the stand structure. You got one frame, one use manual, and the 10 pieces most transparent visors. Just to remind you, before installation, please wash your hand. Okay, please make sure the upside and down of the frame. This is downside, and this is upside. So you can flip up. Open the pack of the transparent visor. First of all, peel off the tear, the protection film, a little bit on both sides. Make sure both sides protective film will be lower the holes. Then we can install the visor on the frame. Now, peel all protective film. You see, it's absolutely transparent. Now, we can wear the adjustable face shield on your head. Then you can adjust the tie until you're comfortable way. Real anti-fog and really transparent. And the most important thing is the gorgeous looking. Okay, now I show you how to install our glass frame medical face shield. The first step, please peel off the QC pass label, which is very strong. Then you open the box. Again, you will find a very strong stand inside. Open the stand. You got one glasses frame, one user manual, and a 10 pieces transparent visor. Okay, peel off the protective film a little bit until it is below the holes. Find the frame and clip in. Then peel off the protective film on both sides. Okay, gorgeous, right? Okay, now we'll wear the glasses frame medical face shield. You see, the real anti-fog and the real absolutely clear. We are recruiting distributors and wholesalers in worldwide. Please send me an email to sales@weetech.com. We will contact you as soon as possible. Thank you. Stay safe.